Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have the first spoiler for the BoxyCharm August box. Now this was found at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram, so if you want to go check her out, you're free to do so. So the spoiler that we got that has just been revealed is the Becca Cosmetics Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Now this is a $39 value, so this box is already starting off good, and of course as soon as they reveal any more spoilers I will keep you guys updated. And also guys, if you join BoxyCharm today, you will get a free Glam Glow Insta Mud Mask that is a $40 value. I will leave the link to BoxyCharm down below, so if you want to go check them out, you will get that free with your first box. And as always guys, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video if you would, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.